Tuner Evolution.
I'm enjoying it. It's really fun.
You like cars, right?
Yeah. I like trucks.
You love trucks, right? Let's see, what kind of trucks do you like? Do you like diesel trucks?
Yeah, you already know. Trucks. King Ranch Power Stroke.
And F-150s.
Yeah, that's too
We're having fun out here.
What'd you say?
I said we're having fun out here.
Oh yeah, we're having a good time. Excited for the competition.
Yeah, you're gonna win.
You always say that.
I know, but I think you're gonna win this time.
Hopefully you're the judge.
No, I'm not a judge. That's your ride, man? Is that your car?
No, I
Would you rather have the car or the girl?
Maybe eventually.
Right? They always do.
Right?
They always do, little heartbreakers.